extinction of the dinosaurs, the world was left open for a new kind of life to dominate. Mammals began to thrive in different shapes and sizes, but among them, one branch would one day change the destiny of the planet forever. This is the story of how mammals gave rise to humans, the journey of evolution that shaped us into who we are today. In the prehistoric world, mammals were small, furry creatures that lived in the shadows of dinosaurs. But once the dinosaurs were gone, mammals evolved rapidly. Some became huge herbivores, others turned into powerful predators. Yet, a small group of tree-dwelling mammals, called primates, were about to begin an extraordinary transformation. These early primates had grasping hands, sharp eyesight, and intelligence that set them apart. They lived in forests, climbing trees, searching for food, and protecting their young. Their flexible bodies and curious minds gave them an advantage. Slowly, they became more social, learning to live in groups and share survival strategies. Over millions of years, some primates evolved into larger, smarter species, the apes. They had stronger arms, bigger brains, and the ability to use simple tools like sticks and stones. These apes spread across Africa and Asia, adapting to different climates and landscapes. One day, from among these apes, the first ancestors of humans would emerge. About 7 million years ago, the earliest hominins appeared. They were different from apes because they began to walk upright. Walking on two legs freed their hands, allowing them to carry food, use tools, and eventually create fire. These early hominins looked nothing like modern humans, but they were the first step in our incredible journey. Over time, different human-like species appeared. Australopithecus, a small but clever hominin, lived in Africa and is often called the southern ape. Later came Homo habilis, also known as the handyman, because they were the first to make and use stone tools. Each step of evolution brought more intelligence, stronger communities, and better survival skills. Then came Homo erectus, one of the most successful early humans. They learned how to control fire, a discovery that changed everything. Fire gave them warmth, protection, and the ability to cook food. It also brought people together, allowing them to share stories and ideas around glowing flames. Homo erectus spread far beyond Africa, reaching Asia and Europe. Eventually, new human species appeared, like the Neanderthals in Europe and the Denisovans in Asia. But about 200,000 years ago in Africa, our own species, Homo sapiens, was born. With larger brains, creativity, and complex language, they had the power to imagine, to plan, and to dream. They painted on cave walls, crafted tools, and built early societies. Homo sapiens began to travel across continents. They crossed deserts, mountains, and oceans. They hunted animals, grew crops, and built permanent homes. Wherever they went, they left a mark, shaping nature, culture, and history itself. From small tribes, humans grew into civilizations, creating cities, governments, and knowledge that would shape the future of the world. From tiny mammals that once hid in the shadows of dinosaurs, to modern humans who now reach for the stars. This is our story. The story of survival, adaptation, and evolution. We are the children of mammals, the dreamers of history, and the builders of the future. The journey of humans is far from over. It is still being written.